How to set audio levels with mixer in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a narrator voice to the first track and a music to the second track in timeline, and I want to adjust the sound and music volume.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia.
Open up the mixer panel. In the mixer, unlike timeline, tracks are vertical, so the first vertical column is related to my first audio track, and the second column is related to my second track. First, let's mute the music track and adjust the narrator's volume. It is best for my voice to never go red in the mixer.
Who had a love for all things creative. She had a unique perspective on the world.
You can see that the first part of the audio is okay, but the second part is sometimes going to red parts. So, with Blade tool, cut the part that is not okay, and with Selection tool click on it. Now open the inspector and decrease the volume until there are no red parts in the mixer.
She had a unique perspective on the world, often seeing beauty in the things that others overlooked. However, her quirkiness often made her feel out of place in her small town.
Now let's mute the narrator and adjust the music volume. For the music, it depends on the type of music you're using, but it is a good idea to keep it in the green parts so we don't see any yellow parts. So here I just select the music and decrease the volume a little bit. Music should be in -30 to -20 range, and if it's in this range it is the best possible that we can hear the narrator very well. Now unmute all the tracks, and adjust the volume of music while both music and narrator are unmuted.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a love for all things creative.
At last, when you're done with inspector volume, play around with mixer volumes.
Seeing beauty in the things that others overlooked.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.